Boo! You didn't have to chuck my phone on the floor.
I smacked it.
Did a little bit of poo come out?
No, I've had my food.
Those clamps look really nice. When's the last time you had a drink?
Oh, I don't really drink that. Just having a little Wednesday, get wankered a thong. Just carry wood on my shoulder. Basically half a tree. This is me and my pussy. I make rectangles.
Your helmet's out.
It's fully erect.
Let's go, Darren.
Let's go. Let's go.
That'd be easier, isn't it?
Isn't it?
So there's a shelf there, I've drawn it in.
Get wankered on Wednesday.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
Okay, darling. Let me put it down.
Do you want me to get you a new one?
We're inside a rectangle.
Happy?
Always.
Did you stay the night, man? Michael Jackson.
Yeah. It's a free wank, isn't it?
Do you want me to draw those lines?
Yeah.
Thousands of googly eyes.
Sometimes you just need googly eyes for things. What are you doing? Bet you're not sitting inside a rectangle.
What rules do you have?
No clothes or pants.
Now he looks beautiful.
Oh, now I look beautiful, do I? I used to look beautiful.
Ready? Almost Lubby's house.
For each other.
That's where Lubby lives in!
I was laughing because you've got your gin and whiskey, all these other Baileys and then white spirit.
That one's better. 100% alcohol.
Is it on your bar for a reason?
That's just where the alcohol goes, or the spirit.
How many clamps would be too many clamps?
It's never too many clamps. I said, name a great idea. It was like a cheap knockoff of what I'd already done.